Pass me the scrunchies.
Where are they?
They're right there.
Where?
Right there, the scrunchies. I'm like, doesn't even know what they are. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. To those who are new, my name is Ellie. I do lifestyle, motherhood, and beauty videos. If you haven't yet subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can be part of my fam here on YouTube. Today is actually a really fun video. I really like watching videos like this, and I will never provide a video that I don't like seeing myself. So today is actually an unboxing. So I got clothes from clothes and like accessories from like Old Navy, just because like I had a just $65 reward thing. So I ended up getting a few things, and I wanted to show you guys what it is that I got. So if you want to know what it is that I got, just keep on watching. So I'm hoping all these things fit, just because I have no idea what size I am for them. So I would just look at the size chart and see. So the first item that I actually picked out is like this sweater. Ooh, oh, like a pillow. So this is the actual sweater that I got. I got this in a size medium. This looks so soft. I mean, it feels really soft. And then it has like this little like scrunchy thing at the bottom. I don't know what it's called, but you can tie it and make it tighter to your body. I really recommend this sweater. It's so comfy, especially like the only reason why I got this sweater was because I knew it was gonna look good with the workout clothes. So the next item is actually this shirt. Oh my gosh, this looks super cute. It has like these little lemons on it. Super cute. Oh, it's actually a small shirt. I think it'll fit. This shirt, this is how it looks. And then it's not too tight either. It's pretty loose, so I kind of like that. So the next item I actually got is another shirt. This one, I think it's like basic, but like super cute. I got it just because it has those little flowers and a little pocket on there, so that makes it look cute. And then I also got a size small for this one. So you can't, like, I have a black bra. I don't think you can really see anything, my opinion though. But yeah, I think it looks super cute too. I feel like it's the right size as well. The next item I got, kind of like workout clothes, just because I want to start working out. Gotta lose my tummy. So the first one I got is actually just some regular basic leggings. For working out. So they look like this. They look like they're super stretchy. I hope it fits because this is a size small, and I'm just looking at the waist and I'm like yeah, right. Lord Jesus. This is how the leggings look. So it has like a little mesh detail on your thigh and then on your shin. On this one you can actually see my tattoo. I was like, okay, but anyways, that's how they look. They fit really nice. I'm glad I got a small. This is how it looks from the top. That's what I'm trying to lose, guys. But yeah, I actually like how it looks. So that's one of the pairs of workout leggings that I actually got. So the next pair, I actually got these leggings. They're a little bit out there. Not normally something I would choose, but they look cute. Look at these flowers. Like the colors are, I think, amazing with the gray. So I decided to get it. It also has a little pocket, which I had no idea till right now. And you can put your phone in there, whatever it is you want to do, or like put. And they're also stretchy, which I like. These also have like that mesh, which I did actually not know either. I just got them because I liked how they look. They have like that mesh detailing at the back of the knee. So that's how this looks. They are a little bit long on me, but that's fine. I don't mind. And then the top, that's how the top looks. I feel like these feel so comfortable from the top. I love socks, so I decided to get a pair of socks. So this is actually like a 6-pair packet of socks. I'll show you guys how they look. I got them mostly based off the colors, not gonna lie, and that design. So this one has like little small dogs on it with like little flowers. That's super cute. The next one I got was this color, which is one of my favorite colors, with like little flower prints all over it. This one is just like a plain old yellow with stripes. Another one that has like my little favorite color and has flowers print all over it. And then this is what actually got me. These socks, like on their own, like how cute is that dog? That is super cute. Like seriously. And then the color is like this blue teal color. You can't, I don't think you can see it, but it's a blue teal color, so I really like that. And then the gray with the flower print on it, and it has like little a Dalmatian dog, I think that's what it is. But yeah, so I got these socks, and I'm super excited because I started losing all my pairs, so I mix and match now. Ended up wearing the socks that I told you that I really liked, the little dog ones. I decided why not, and I got some scrunchies. So I actually ended up picking these colors because they look super cute. I like this one a lot, and that one. Yellow, it's alright, but this reminds me of like summer / fall kind of colors. So I decided, why not get it? I thought it was gonna be soft texture, but it's not. It's like a clothing kind of material. I would say polyester, but I'm not sure. Let's see if it works to hold my hair up. The reason why I got this too is because usually when I use the other elastics for my hair, it like hurts when I take it off. Look, I'll show you. When I use these, it actually pulls some of my hair out. Versus I know like these, my sister have these kind of material ones. They don't pull the hair. And it looks super cute. Oh my gosh. Nala. Nala. If it's not one thing, it's another.
Do it again. Do it again.
So that is it for my video, for my unboxing of what I got from Old Navy. So if you guys like seeing unboxing videos, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure to hit that notification bell so you get notified whenever it is I upload new videos. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.